Hi, Ben Levine from Levine Brothers Plumbing. On location in my basement. Now, you don't see any plumbing around here. There's no bathroom, there's no kitchen sink. And honestly, if my wife were to say to me, "Hey Ben, you're a plumber, it's time to put a bathroom in the basement," I could easily say no problem. Because of this. This is a sealed sewage pit. The one I have here is by Saniflo. This will allow me to install a bathroom no matter where I want in my basement. This gets put underneath the cement floor. The bathroom, all the fixtures get connected into here, and we have plumbing where we wouldn't have been able to before. Great solution for an old problem. So, if this is a problem you're having, like this video, share it, call us if you need us.